Can you see my screen? Okay. Okay, so we have discussed the wave. Sorry, the slash CWM slash PRDO. So last time we have discussed about the let me just check WCR. Okay. We can check over here all the tasks. I'm sure. Yeah. For example, okay, WCR. So ये हमने check किया था. Okay. WOCR. Then today it's the 11th. Okay. So उसमें एक चीज रह गई थी. That is there are two things. Filters, right? Limit we have checked. Filter में yes. Recording is started. Yeah. Okay. So cross process setting, warehouse order. Okay. So we have checked filters, right? But in filters, I told you there are two filters, right? Item level and subtotal level filters. Okay. So the difference between these two is only the consolidation group. Now, what is a consolidation group? Okay, so consolidation group is actually, for example, let's say if you want to pack the, for example, let's say ये दो delivery है, right? These two delivery are from same customer. Oh, let's go for delivery. Sorry. Okay, are from the same customer. So obviously customer wise, they are okay to pick the material, like to pack in one box only, right? This is what happened when we order from Amazon, right? So we are okay if it's, you know, if it's packed in one box, right? अगर हम Amazon से कुछ पैक करते हैं तो, right?
Yes.
Hello, right? So consolidation group help us to do this kind of activity. It's not only for packaging, okay? Sorry, not only for customer. There are different options then. Okay, so what are the options? So now first of all, how to check? Okay, if you go to the item level, so here you will see consolidation group and pack consolidation is tick. When it's tick, then only we can pack these two delivery, right, into the one box, right? Now if you check 506 and even 507, you will find the number is 1. If there is some configuration, right? On basis of that, system create or assign this number. Okay. Now the configuration wise is very easy, right? So define consolidation group, right? So here, so basically ship to party that we can use. We can use root also, or priority, or the door. So in this example, so by default, right, is maintained for ship to party. Okay. So it's tick, right? Now, so number range. So if you go to this number range interval group, right? So if you just search for our warehouse, so 01 number and then internal number range is already maintained. Okay, but where we maintain or like where we tick this one. Okay, so basically is an EWM menu. If you go, okay, so it's in DSGR. This is the transaction. Okay, consolidation group. So over here you can see, right, partner Tata. This is a consolidation group. So we can create, right, we can maintain the number, and according to that, according to this number, system will allow us to use. System will allow us to do the packing or pick the material. Clear? Hello, is this clear?
हाँ सर.
Any question?
मतलब सर हम जब कस्टमर सिलेक्ट करते हैं हमें अलाउ करता है कि 2 मटेरियल एक ही कस्टमर के लिए पैक करना है.
Yes.
Okay.
That too, while creating the task, obviously you have to select, right? We have to select this like this. For example, if you
दो
now
प्रोडक्ट
try,
सिलेक्ट करने के बाद कस्टमर सिलेक्ट
yes.
करना है.
Now here you can see system will create task accordingly because it's allowed, right? If it's not allowed, then obviously system will not allow us to create. It will give some error. Consolidation group is deactivated and like this. Because now all the material going to same customer, so it's fine, right? As example of DMart, Amazon. So even we can also use this one in WSER. Okay. Only that in that case, go back. Okay, consolidation group we can use. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me what is activity area? We have discussed activity area, I guess 3-4 times. Hello. What is activity area?
Specific area, sir. Specific area.
Specifically, I don't get it actually. No, in simple language, what is activity area?
तो डोर के बाहर जो एरिया उसे बोलते हैं.
Activity area, डोर के बाहर.
जहाँ पर हम मटेरियल जब इनबाउंड मटेरियल जब आता है तभी मटेरियल कहाँ पर रखना है वो करने के लिए एक्टिविटी एरिया यूज करते हैं.
वर्क सेंटर रहेगा ना जहाँ पे पैकेजिंग वगैरह करते हैं.
हाँ.
No, that is a work
मतलब
center.
जहाँ पे हम ओके, जीआर जोन में करते हैं क्या फिर एक्टिविटी?
एक्टिविटी एरिया के डेफिनेशन क्या है? Something like logical sequencing of the bean. Right? Logical sequencing of the bean. Okay, it will be very difficult if it this scenario. Okay, activity area हमने कहाँ पे देखा था? अब भी just WCR में देखा था, right? This one. That depending on the activity, we can make some sequence, right? Sort sequence हम create कर सकते हैं, right? Now in warehouse, right? For example, so let's say if you want to pick any material, or in very simple language in DMart, right? Whenever we visit DMart, right, we follow some path, right? Path means we never go like, okay, we'll first pick this material, then we'll go here, then again we'll come back, we'll pick here or here like this, right? What we do, we'll start from here, then we'll check this aisle, right? Start to end. Let's say from back there is entry for this C, then we'll check the C rack from back side to front side. Again we'll enter in the front side, from the front side into the A again, like this, right? Zigzag, right? So even this also we can do in WCR. जो sorting होगा bean का, right? That sorting we can also do. Okay, so for that sort rules are there. Okay, now there is a consolidation. So again, this is a just name and description. Okay, see there is no any F4. So consolidation group and then pick path. So consolidation group means जो अभी हमने group create किया है. So system will create that group, right? And that according to it, system first create the group and then it will create the path for picking, or else we can directly create the pick path. Okay, now if you check this one, define sort field, यहाँ पर भी okay, consolidation group, so field is DSGPR. Okay, so there are different one. So the consolidation group we can use, or else the pick path. Pick path means, what is pick path? The bean. Okay, sort sequence means activity area का जो हमने config किया होगा, right? वो वाला. And then according to it, system will sort the bean. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yeah. Only thing is that इसके लिए it is mandatory to have material in different bin, जो कि हमारा नहीं है, right? We have one material, right? Sorry, in only 1-2 bin, right? So will be very difficult, right? But what you can do, you can just you know, put into the different bin and then you can check. Okay, and this is also a small assignment. ओके तो आपको क्या करना है, सो जस्ट गो विथ दिस वन, नो नीड टू क्रिएट, राइट, एंड देन just assign this into the filter. Oh, sorry, not filter. Just a moment. Yeah, so over here we have to maintain. Okay, clear? Now, so if you check this one, right, so here also we have the same rule, and if you check in WM sorting also, you can see the same, but the difference between these two, okay, there is one difference as a beginning of the warehouse task. So the inbound sorting, so मैंने क्या किया, I click over here, right, so what it say, identify the inbound sorting rule for warehouse task. The sorting rule is used on create warehouse task at the beginning of the warehouse order creation. मतलब जब वो warehouse order create करेगा, right, let's say कि उसके पास 1 2 3 4 ओके ऐसे मटेरियल है, ओके 4 and 5, और उसका जो बीन स्ट्रक्चर होगा इज लाइक 2 3 7 1 2 for example. Okay, this is mat and this is bean, and then let's say this is task or warehouse order, WCR, warehouse order creation rule. So inbound sorting मतलब जब वो create करने जाएगा, right, मटेरियल ये जब चेक करने जाएगा तभी वो sorting कर देगा कि yes please first pick 1 then 2 then 3 then 6. ओके तो वो जो जहाँ जा सकता है फर्स्ट 2 में जाएगा देन 3 में जाएगा, so it will sort it, right. This is the use of what, inbound sorting. Then WM sorting contain the warehouse order. Okay, only the difference is used on the warehouse task contain the warehouse order. So जब वो create हो जाएगा, right, उसके बाद वो group करेगा. Are you getting my point? Hello? After the creation of warehouse order and use on the warehouse task contain the warehouse order. मतलब एक जो होगा वो create करने के पहले देखेगा sorting क्या है और दूसरा create होने के बाद. ओके मतलब अगर ग्रुप करना है इसमें फिर वो लेट्स से कंसोलिडेशन ग्रुप हो गया कि इसमें लेट्स से ये जो मटेरियल है ये और ये एक ही उसका कंसोलिडेशन ग्रुप है, तो वो उसको सॉर्ट करेगा अकॉर्डिंगली. सो एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट वी नीड टू चेक कि बिफोर चाहिए आफ्टर चाहिए. ऑब्वियसली कस्टमर विल नॉट से कि यस हम वी वांट बिफोर, सो उनको तो कुछ पता नहीं है, राइट, सो वी नीड टू चेक. क्लियर? हेलो? क्लियर है ये?
कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है सर.
क्या कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है?
इनबाउंड करते हैं तो वेयरहाउस पहले सॉर्टिंग करेंगे, बराबर है ना सर?
इनबाउंड मतलब ओके दिस इज नॉट इन दैट इनबाउंड, दिस इज नॉट द इनबाउंड, मतलब रिसीविंग वाला नहीं है इनबाउंड. इनबाउंड सॉर्टिंग मतलब जब वो क्रिएट करेगा, क्रिएट करने से पहले वो देखेगा, लाइक दैट. एंड देन सेकंड WO सॉर्टिंग मतलब जब वो क्रिएट हो जाएगा तब वो जाके सॉर्टिंग करेगा। ओके, इनबाउंड सॉर्टिंग मतलब वो क्रिएशन के पहले ही देखेगा कि मुझे क्या क्या ग्रुप में क्रिएट करना है, राइट? और एल्स वो क्रिएट करके बाद में वो नंबरिंग कर देगा, लाइक दैट।
Okay, sir.
इस केस में मैं बोल रहा था कि प्रैक्टिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एवरीवन,
Right, sir.
राइट?
Table
जैसे जैसे
catch.
आगे बढ़ेगा ना, इट विल बी very interesting. At the same time, will be difficult if you won't practice.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then one more moment. Okay. Now, if you remember, PSC में हमने क्या किया था, right? PSC करते वक्त is PRDI. So PSC करते वक्त हमने पिक HU बनाया था, right? What is पिक HU? हमने डिस्कस किया था, right? एक चीज, whenever we go for picking, right? We'll always go with some palette or something like that, right? While picking, the picker never go with empty hand, right? Hello,
Sir.
right? So
Yes.
even we can also create PKHU manually. So अब तक क्या कर रहे थे हम? Whenever we go to the task, right here we create PKHU, right? यहाँ पे फिर create, then enter and then click on create, right? So we can also create this PKHU automatically, right? So how? So first of all, we have to create the profile. Okay, packing profile. I'll go with a new entry. Okay, let's say back. Okay, 7500 back. Okay, then here you can see the packing mode. So simple algorithm means if we are using very simple structure. Okay, simple structure means one box, right, with one HU. Sorry, one HU with the all the material. Right, simple, एकदम simple है. In that case, we can go with simple. If complex means complex में वो nested HU हो गया, right? HU into HU वाला concept. In that case, we can go for complex. And then body means if business have something else which is not standard SAP, right? So it's required coding, right? In that case, that we can maintain. Okay. So in this case, we'll go with a simple sorting. Okay. And obviously, we want create HU and assign warehouse task to HU, right? हमें वो task भी assign होना चाहिए, right? Save it. Okay. Then copy this. Okay. Go for creation rule. Okay. And then over here, we have to maintain and see the packing pack. Okay. Here. So what we'll do, we'll maintain for all, just for safer side. Okay. But only like अभी भी system still is little bit complicated कि किसके लिए करना है, किसके लिए नहीं करना है, right? So whenever we say automatic packaging, कौन सा वाला concept आ जाता है automatic packaging में? whenever you say automatic packaging, हमने inbound में देखा था, right? How we can do the automatic packaging? Something called packaging specification, right? Packaging specification आता है, right? उसमें. So we need to means maintain the packaging specification for that material. So we'll simply go to /o/SCWM/pack space. One more example why it is mandatory to to do practice. It's because all the topics are dependent on each other. Okay, so select this, change mode. So we'll go with a simple structure only. I guess is already maintained. It's taking some time. Okay, so we'll go and add manually. Okay, so we'll go with the one level simple structure. Okay, this is my HU, then element group. Okay, target quantity 100, minimum 1. Okay, create packaging material. So the packaging material 7500 box. Okay, then the only difference here is the condition. So last time, right? So yeah, we also need to, okay, the condition record, right? The condition record, in this case, we have to use 0 PDL, warehouse order creation. Okay. Then supply chain unit. What is supply chain unit? किसी को याद है क्यों मेंटेन किया जाता है?
वो बिजनेस पार्टनर हम वहाँ पे
Yes.
असाइन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन रहता है ना.
Yes, yes. हमारा क्या था इसके लिए? Strange. Okay, underscore था. Okay, so we don't have anything with root. It's taking. Okay, packing profile obviously. Right, so हमने जो अभी packing profile create किया था, pack वाला, right? Click on check. Okay, product is empty, so okay, we need to add product. So कौन से product के लिए हम we are doing it? Okay, so we need to check the product. Is 646. Okay. 646 quantity 1, for example. Now we can check. Okay, automatic packaging, it cannot. Okay, no element group. So this is. I hope you are getting it कि हम what मैं क्या maintain कर रहा हूँ. Element or the standard one, I guess. मैं तो ये create नहीं किया था, so maybe let's see if we have this. Oh, yeah, main packaging material. Okay, so this valid will activate simply. So it's mandatory to activate, right? If you remember, HU tick, HU11 is main packaging material. Now if we create task, let's see if we have any open tasks. So we'll simply close that. Save it. Okay. Now if we try to create, okay, we'll go for one only. And then yeah, it is, oh, it's UNDE. Obviously it will not work because we already checked. It should be some WCR, right? So let's try for this one. Then only it will work. Oops. Okay, again, same issue, loading. Anyone remember क्यों हो रहा है ये issue? प्रैक्टिस नहीं चल रही है क्या बिल्कुल भी? हेलो, कैसा चलेगा? ऐसा होगा तो प्रैक्टिस नहीं होगी तो will be difficult, right? Why it is not working? RK1 पिक अपना मॉडल कहाँ से जा रहा है? is also arcade 10. Okay. Inventory normal pick. Okay. Still UNDE. Why? Last issue, right? Same issue था. याद है क्या हो रहा था? हेलो, क्या हुआ? यहाँ पे तो ट्रिगर हो रहा था, राइट? तीन तारीख पे तो हो रहा था. Okay, someone change some setting or what? The palette 20 is going for. Let's check again config. So इधर ही समझ में आ जाएगा. So rather than loading, it will go to the packaging station, right? So all are going to loading only, which is wrong. /m02. Let's check if someone changed some weight. 46. So it's 2 kg is fine. 64. Then 7. Okay, it's also 5. Okay. So and then what we have maintained in configuration in the WCR1. Okay, filter 1, here filter 2. Okay, what filter 1 is? So see again same जो हमने डिस्कस किया था. Oh sorry, it's limit. We need to go to the filters. Okay, whenever maximum weight is 6, minimum weight is 7. Okay, and so it's one quantity, right? One quantity means कितना हो गया? Okay, 2 kg, right? See, one quantity 2 kg. So कौन सा वाला fulfill होना चाहिए condition? Minimum 7 तो ये नहीं होगा, right? ये वाला filter 1 वाला होना चाहिए fulfill, right? Maximum 6. Am I right? Hello? But our filter 1 for some reason is not working. Same चीज हुआ था last time. See here we have maintained filter 1. Nothing to do with that big part. Okay. Oh, it's लोडिंग के ऊपर ही जा रहा है. Then same के लिए ट्रिगर हो गया था, but now it is not working. Okay, let me create this task so you can check this one. Okay, D in DF is fine. It will not work. But why not working even for 1? Sorry. Okay, PL 5 kg. should work actually. For Excel, total weight 5. Okay, and then what we have here is obviously is less. Let me maintain power 5. Strange. All config is same, and then the funny part कि वो लास्ट जब हमने छोड़ दिया था उस टाइम तो वो काम कर रहा था बराबर. Now again is you can see over here 50 last user था. There is nothing related to user specific entry. Okay, let me check this one. I'm sure some silly mistake is there. Let me check and then I will update. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then thank you. Please practice. Right. I hope
Okay, sir.
you are not clear why the practice is important, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Then yeah. Thank you.
Okay,
And
sir.
then
Good night.
yeah, let me know if you
Yes,
have
sir.
any issue. Okay. Any error or anything.
Okay,
Please
okay.
do start doing practice.